morning, parents and my dear students. Welcome to the E-class of DePaul School, Baripata. Children, I, Tapas sir, your language teacher, today going to teach standard 3 students grammar way. So, we are today going to read a new lesson, and that lesson is nouns gender. Lesson 4, nouns gender. First of all, children, we will know what is gender. The gender of a noun tells us whether it is a masculine, feminine, common or neuter. Means when we are talking about a noun, we can easily find out whether that noun is a male, female, or either male or female, or neither male nor female. If it is male, it is masculine. If it is a female, then feminine. If it is either male or female, means it can be both male as well as female. We say it is common noun. But if it is a non-living thing, that means neither male nor female, because a non-living thing cannot be a male or female. All these thing we will find out in a noun, then we can easily know whether that noun is masculine, feminine, common or neuter. That is called gender. Now, what is masculine gender? The noun that refers to male person or animal is called masculine gender. Example: father, brother, uncle, son, grandfather, dog, bull, lion, drake, cock, peacock. These are all masculine genders. Father, brother, uncle, son, grandfather, these are all human beings in male category. Bull, lion, and these are all animals. Dog, bull, lion, three of them are animal. They are also in male category. Then comes drake, cock, peacock. These are all birds. They are also from male category. So all these nouns from human being, animal and birds are all masculine genders. Now, what is feminine gender? The noun that refers to female person and animal is called feminine gender. Means the noun which says about a female, whether it is a human being, animal or bird, is said to be feminine gender. Examples: mother, grandmother, daughter, aunt, lioness, cow, duck, peahen. These are all comes under female group. That is why they are feminine gender. Mother, grandmother, daughter, aunt, these are all human beings. Lioness, cow, animals, duck and peahen, birds. So they are called feminine genders. These are some of the pictures to show you about masculine and feminine. Starts with son. Son, a male, a boy, so it is masculine gender. Daughter is female or girl, that is why it comes under feminine gender. Tiger is a male animal, masculine gender. Opposite of tiger is tigress, feminine gender. Then comes dog. Dog is also a male animal, that is very masculine gender. And opposite of dog, female, is bitch, that is why it is a feminine gender. Then comes cock, a male bird, masculine gender. Female of cock is hen, 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 feminine gender. Then grandfather, we know grandfather is a male human being, so it is a comes under masculine gender. Then female of grandfather is grandmother, this is feminine gender. Then comes gander, masculine bird, masculine gender. Then feminine of gander is goose, 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 feminine gender. Then fox is an animal, male. Fox, female is vixen. Female fox is called Vixen, vixen. Now we will know about common gender. The noun that refers to both male and female is called as common gender. Means the noun can be either male or female. We can use that noun in both the case, male and as well as female. That is why they are called common genders. Examples of such words are, or you can say nouns are, doctor, teacher, student, parents, passenger, principal, cousin, nurse, manager, baby, neighbors are all nouns comes under common group, that is common gender. Now these are some of the pictures to show you that a noun how it can be used in both the case, masculine as well as feminine. So it is a principal, he is a principal, male principal, but a principal can be a lady as well. You can see a lady principal, but both the case their designation will be same, principal. You can see, you can use the common word for both the case, male as well as female, principal. Now teacher, I am a male teacher, you can see male teacher picture is here, but sometimes there is a female teacher, but both are teachers, they belong to a same group called teacher. So teacher is a common name you can use for both male as well as female teacher. Doctor, you can see doctor, you can lady doctor is there, male doctor is there. So lady doctor and gents doctor both are same because they are having same profession. So we can use doctor for both the lady as well as gents doctor, same word, doctor. So doctor is a common noun. Now we'll move on to parents. You know your father and mother, they both call parents. So whether it is father or mother, they belong to opposite sex, masculine as well as feminine. But we can use the same word for both of them, that is parents. Parents is a common name for both father and mother. Parents is used for both the case, father and mother. Parents is the common gender. Now comes student. If it is a male student, a boy or girl, both of them comes under common name, that is called student. That is called student. We can use for both male student or boy student or girl student, same word student. So student is a common noun. Now we will know about what is neuter gender. The noun that refers to neither male nor female, it refers to non-living thing, is called neuter gender. Means the noun when we use for neither male nor female, because it is a non-living thing. Non-living thing doesn't have any gender. Okay, that's why we call it neuter gender. Some of the examples to show you neuter gender: bed, book, bat, ball, box, carom, balloon, tree, pencil, eraser. All these names are non-living things, so they comes under the neuter gender group. Now some pictures to show you about neuter gender. See first, shoe is a non-living thing, so it is a neuter gender. Socks, it is also non-living thing, neuter gender. Bag, non-living thing, neuter gender. Scale, the scale you use in your studies to draw line, use in drawing. That same scale is a non-living thing, so it is neuter gender. Now we will do the exercise portion of this lesson. Starting with bit number A, match the column. Means both the column nouns are given, but they are having opposite nouns. You have to find out the masculine and feminine, and you have to match it. Fox is male, masculine. The female of fox is vixen. I have marked, you can see, fox, vixen. Drake, masculine. Duck is feminine. Gander, masculine. Goose, feminine. Rooster, masculine. Hen, feminine. Nephew, masculine. Niece, feminine. Husband, masculine. Wife, feminine. Gentleman, masculine. Lady, feminine. Bridegroom, masculine. Bride, feminine. So you can see here I have made children for you, both masculine and feminine in both the columns. Now we will move on to the next bit, that is read the nouns in the box, write them in correct column. Means help box will be there. From that help box you have to find out the correct option and write in the blanks. This is the help box. Student, computer, queen, headmaster, camera, priest, parents, daughter. These are the options. You have to write this option in this blanks given below. Masculine gender column is there, feminine gender column is there, common gender column is there, neuter gender column is there. So starting with first, masculine gender. Headmaster and priest are the two nouns from the help box. They comes under masculine gender. Queen and daughter, feminine gender. Student, parents, common gender. Neuter gender, computer and camera. So I have written the nouns from the help box in the right column. Now we will do the bit number C. Rewrite the sentences by changing the masculine gender to the feminine gender. Means in question it is masculine gender, you have to change that masculine into feminine. First one, the peacock danced in the rain. Peacock is masculine. Answer will be the peahen danced in the rain. Question number 2. The tiger looked ferocious. Tiger is masculine. Answer will be the tigress looked ferocious. Question number 3. My brother sings very well. Masculine brother. Feminine of brother is my sister sings very well. Question number 4. The monk distributed the food. Monk is a male. Answer will be the nun distributed the food. The nun distributed the food. Then we will move to the next bit. There is no such bit left, children, means the lesson is over, you can see here. So children, I have told you about this noun and gender. It is very important lesson for your coming exam point of view, half yearly exam. So we are now preparing for your half yearly exam. The whatever lessons I am teaching now, it is for half yearly exam only. So please go through this video repeatedly at home, because now you are having ample time at home. So my request to you children, be serious about your studies, stay safe at home and focus in your for your exam, and I am sure it will help you a lot if you will go through this video. My request to you children, that whatever we are giving you now, it is very important for your future, not for your exam only. It is good for your future. So be serious whenever you are getting such video. We will try to give best video to you for your help in your future. So thank you for watching this video, and I am sure it will help a lot times to come. Bye bye children. God bless you.